Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to my latest video where I'll take you on a breathtaking walking tour of the stunning beaches of Canasvieiras, Brazil. If you're a beach lover, then you're in for a treat. The beaches here are truly extraordinary, and I can't wait to show you all the natural beauty this place has to offer. First things first, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me a lot, and you'll be the first to know when I post new travel content like this one. Canasvieiras is located in the state of Santa Catarina in southern Brazil. It's a popular vacation spot for locals and tourists alike, thanks to its crystal clear waters, soft white sand, and warm tropical climate.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
There's plenty to see and do in this charming little town, but today I'm going to focus on the beaches. The first beach we'll visit is Praia Canasvieiras, which is located right in the heart of town. It's a long and wide beach with calm and shallow waters, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. You'll find plenty of beach vendors selling everything from snacks to souvenirs, and there are also plenty of restaurants and bars to choose from. Next up, we'll head to Praia do Jurrier, which is one of the most popular beaches in the area. The beach is surrounded by upscale residential areas, and it's a favorite spot for the wealthy and famous. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content like this. Also, please leave a comment below and let me know which beach was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.